Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wizz Discount Club membership. If you're a frequent Wizz Air traveler or planning multiple trips, this membership can save you money on flights and baggage, so let's walk through how to get it set up. First, open your browser and head over to wizzair.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the sign-in option. Go ahead and click on that and log into your Wizz Air account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can access the Discount Club membership. After you've logged in, you'll be back on the homepage. Now, here's the interesting part. To access the Discount Club offer, you'll need to start booking a flight. Don't worry, you won't have to complete the purchase if you're only interested in the membership. Just select any route and date that works for you and proceed to the flight selection page. Choose any price option for the flight you've selected. This step is necessary because the Discount Club offer appears during the booking process. Once you've selected your flight price, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see something that looks like a voucher or coupon icon. Click on the option that says Get the Discount Now. This is where you'll find the membership options. You'll now see two membership tiers to choose from, Standard and Premium. Let me break down what each one offers. The Standard membership gives you benefits for yourself and one companion. You'll get special onboard coupons, exclusive ticket promotions, and personalized offers. A €10 discount on flight fares from €29.99. A €5 discount on checked-in baggage or 2 cabin bags and priority when purchased online. Priority customer care and enhanced benefits with Wizz Air partners. The premium membership includes everything from standard plus 2 additional perks. You automatically get 2 cabin bags and priority boarding, and you also get premium unlimited seat selection, which means you can choose any seat without extra fees. Both options provide solid value if you fly with Wizz Air regularly. The premium tier is ideal if you want maximum flexibility with seating and always travel with cabin baggage. Once you've decided which tier suits your travel needs, simply select it and complete the purchase to activate your membership. And that's it, you've successfully accessed and purchased your Wizz Discount Club membership. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.